Why is Snapchat not working? Has the Snapchat down issue affecting thousands of users been resolved? UK users have woken up this morning to find that ongoing issues with logging in to Snapchat appear to be ongoing, with thousands still unable to access their accounts on the popular app. The app, with over 265 million users worldwide, has been hit by outages overnight as of July 30th, as thousands of users using the app on iOS devices reported the app being down and not letting them log into their accounts late last night. As of 11 p.m. on Thursday evening, Down Detector saw a spike in reports of Snapchat not working as the app's developer team tried to quickly resolve the issue. But despite claims that the issue has since been resolved and that the booming image, video and messaging app should be functioning as normal, users are reporting that the problem is still persisting. Why is Snapchat down? At 11:29 p.m. on July 29, downdetector.co.uk, a site which allows users to report outages on popular websites, apps and technologies, registered over 61,000 reports from users saying that the app was down and not working. On Twitter, the Snapchat team responded to a slew of comments and complaints on social media sites earlier today, saying, "We're aware of a technical issue impacting some Snapchatters. Please hang tight as we are looking into it and working on a fix." The issue was reportedly seeing Snapchat crash for users on attempting to log in. But 65% of the reports sent to Down Detector also claimed that the issue was with sending snaps, images, messages, videos, on the app. The crash comes as the social media app recently unveiled a new update to its Snap Map, allowing users to see their Snapchat contacts and friends locations on a map when letting the app use their device's location services. My Places is the new feature announced for the app on Wednesday, July 28, which would let users save their favorite places, like bars and restaurants, on the app's map and find personalized recommendations for new businesses from their friends. Has the Snapchat issue been resolved? At just after 5 a.m. this morning, July 30th, Snapchat's support team tweeted, "The issue has been resolved. If you're still having trouble, please manually update your app in the App Store. To update the Snapchat app in the iOS App Store, users will need to open the app up or refresh the app if the latest bug-fixing update doesn't display on the App Store interface, and select Update at the top of the screen next to the bright iconic Snapchat logo. The specific update in question, which users will need to download, is version 11.38.2.40. Down Detector is still seeing over 1,000 reports from users struggling to get back to the beloved app, though. As of 9 a.m., the site saw 1,339 reports of the app crashing on opening or while attempting to send emoji-filled snaps, with some users stating on social media that the app has continued to crash even after manually updating it via the App Store. That's it for today. Please like and share this video and subscribe our channel.